Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I meant to start the vlog earlier, but I was not having a good day. We're not gonna get into it. But right now it is June 8th, 3:04, and I'm about to go to the fair. So I will see y'all later.
And he's out of there. He flies. He's getting ready to fly. He takes down that hurdle. He's saving his energy for the last one here. He's getting ready for liftoff. He's going up, and Sophie Smith. This guy just.
It looks like I'm bald, but I just have ponytail. That's a big old forehead, so don't mind that. But hey guys, I feel like I haven't updated y'all. Don't mind the list. I'm wearing my retainers again because I need to start wearing them again because I'd be forgetting. But anyway, that's not the point. I feel like I haven't updated y'all because the last thing I vlogged was the fair, and I haven't did anything fun since. Well, I went to breakfast with my friends. I'll put pictures in of that, and then all my friends were on vacation and doing stuff. Like, we're really busy, so yeah. But I haven't missed not one party, no nothing. Like, where's the turn-ups? I'm gonna put in this video, but yeah, I started my internship last week, so hasn't been really thinking like fun. Like, I haven't hung out with nobody in a while, so it's like when I leave, but nobody be like, oh, we didn't hang out. Y'all had all the opportunity to text me. So anyways, I have a few packages that I'm gonna go get, and then I'm gonna come back. A few packages I'm gonna go get, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all. I'm gonna put on this random croc. I don't know. Where's my other? My brother likes to play around with my shoes. I don't know why. I don't know why. I'm in his room because he probably... This little boy. Okay, I don't know where this crock is, so I'm just gonna have to put on something else, but... But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go get my packages. Y'all, I definitely think I know what this package is. I think it's my comforter set for my dorm. Where did I just put my scissors? Oh, yeah, I think it's my comforter set for my dorm. If y'all want to see like a whole dorm haul video, if y'all want that, y'all can comment if y'all want that. But I'll probably just show stuff what I get, and then when I have like my moving day, I'll show y'all and tell y'all where everything is from. I didn't know it was gonna come this fast. Like, I don't want y'all to see my address. Two of these, sorry if the lighting is like bad, y'all. I don't have good lighting in my room because as you can see, my room is dark. Like, it's not even on purpose. It's because I changed my room during quarantine, and I just want it all black. Like, it's not even on no depressing stuff. But anyway, that's not the point. I just got two of these shrink bags. Well, it come with two, so 4 in total. Because I am going out of state for college and we're flying, so I'm gonna have to condense my clothes down into these so I can have more space in my suitcase, you know? So I got 2 of those. And then this is just my comforter. It's a reversible comforter. It could be black or it could be gray, so that's why I got it. I just gotta get sheets and all that other stuff, you know, all that other stuff. But yeah, that's really it. I'm gonna be leaving to my internship like in 30 minutes, so I'll see y'all whenever I update y'all what I do next. You gonna win? Been there. I think I'm gonna win. Oh, just back them. 3. Okay, remember, you guys shoot automatically. Just point to the center of the teddy bear. First one to the top wins a prize. On your mark, get set, go! Oh. We didn't win. It's okay, brother. Y'all, my brother got me going on his slide. I'm scared. Oh, my pants. My pants.
Now see, that's an old, them was old cars up there. See up there with the flap in the front, the sun out your eyes.
Hey vlog. My hair looks good, but I don't know, it looks funky on the side, but I never updated y'all. Yesterday, the clips that y'all seen, we were at Chase Center and they had like a little vlog party thing. They had like different activities and stuff like that. And yeah, that's what we did yesterday. But right now we're about to go to Foodland. It is hot. The Bay Area is finally getting some hot weather instead of it being foggy and rainy every day. But yeah, that's where we're about to go, and I'm gonna show y'all what foods we get and try, because we went last year. No, the year before, and they had a lot of cool stuff. And oh yeah, we went last year too. It's been like every year. It's like, yeah. But yeah, this is the fit. Y'all probably see this shirt a lot on my channel. But yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay guys, we got home like probably like almost 30 minutes ago, but y'all, everything was so good. I'll insert pictures in the videos, but y'all, it was so good. We had the strawberry shortcake thing. It was good. It was so good. But right now I'm just watching videos, or right now I'm just watching YouTube. I just finished watching Aaliyah's face video. I love her. And then now I'm watching Nyla's prep and peck video. Already July, and I leave for college next month. I just graduated a month ago. What? Summer went too fast, but yeah, I feel like I know what this video is gonna be. It's gonna be like a chaotic summer days in my life, like over the span of like my first month of summer. Much it for today. I'm gonna put my hair, but I keep touching my hair. But yeah, y'all, that I'm just gonna be rambling. So yeah. Take the turkey leg. Out of what?
Out of 8.
5 out of 8? It's supposed to be something out of 10.
Like,
out of 10, what do you rate the turkey leg?
how good was it?
How good was it?
10 being real good, and 1 being not so good.
10 out of 10. It was bust. How do you think it was, Mom?
It was bust. I believe I would give it a 10 out of 10 too, especially at the end with that sauce.
It's all gone now.
Well, it's still some, but we demolished
That's what it looked like.
It's still some little meat.
Hey guys, I forgot to show our vlog. Me and my brother. Today's 4th of July. We're at this thing. We're gonna go watch the fireworks. We just walked to CVS to get some snacks, and we're trying to find a blanket because we didn't bring a blanket and it's cold. But yeah.
So somebody called us the N-word?
Yes, we encountered a Karen, y'all, our first Karen, and then she want to say it again. We was walking out, and I had to tell her. I recorded her, and she smelled like pee. Then she want to walk away and try to clutch her little raggedy, stanky purse. Like, don't do that. But anyways, y'all, we finna go sit back down, so I'll record when the fireworks start.
Come on. It's more.
Hey guys, it's like so many days later. I haven't updated y'all, but this video is so chaotic. I apologize guys. I just wanted to get like a summer video, but I've been doing things over a span of time and it's been very chaotic. But today is today's July 7th. It is 4:30 right now. I'm going to a Giants game later. I'm gonna show you my fit after, but I went to a Giants game at 7. My mom, my little brother, and then my 2 friends are gonna be there, so I might vlog. But yeah, that's pretty much how my summer's been. And then y'all, had to get the suitcases out because I leave in 3 weeks, which is crazy for college. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my fit. Sorry, I was kicking the trash out the way, but this is the fit. Yeah, I just have this jersey on the back. Is hold on, let me turn it all the way around. It's number 22. This number is actually retired for the Giants, but my dad got me this because my birthday is February 22nd, and he got me this. Then I have these jeans. They're from Old Navy, and I have on my black and orange high top dunks, and then I have on a sweater under and a long sleeve because it's going to be cold. I already know it's going to be cold. I'm gonna bring a blanket just in case too. But yeah, here's the fit. I was laying my edges down because I need to lay them down. But yeah, I'll update y'all later when I'm there. I'm not gonna bring my camera because honestly my camera is dying, y'all, and it's blinking right now. So I'm gonna see y'all later. Hey guys, just got home. The Giants lost. I was so sad. Me and my friends were so sad. We were screaming. They had a home run. Crawford hit a home run, as y'all seen. And then after that, we were caught up. It was 2-2. Then we went to go get some nachos, and then we went to go get like a snack. We came back. It was 5-2. And it was, yeah. I'm home now. I'm gonna sleep and lay down because it's been a long day. But yeah, that was fun. See y'all next. Hey guys, ooh, that was really bright. But we just got back home. We was go see Spider-Man. Y'all, I was not expecting that plot twist. What? But it was really good, really good. We went out to eat earlier at the soul food place. It was really good. But right now, I'm probably about to lay down and chill. Either watch TV or edit.
Spider-Man. We watched Spider-Man.
He went to sleep during Spider-Man.
Because I was too tired.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm probably finna watch TV or edit. I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. See y'all later.
Peace.
We at the movies. We finna see. What we finna see? What we finna see?
The jungle is killing you, yet you want
What we
to
finna see?
combine with it?
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
It's Spider-Man. They're playing ads right now, but yeah. Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, not y'all seen in my house, but it is the next day. I got me some Wingstop. I'm finna tear it down, y'all. I haven't ordered food in so long, so this was definitely needed because I've been working hard. I was editing. Well, right now I'm finna watch Netflix. I'm finna watch Suits. Y'all, this show is so good. If I would have knew about this show a long time ago, what? But anyways, I think I'm gonna end this vlog off here because it's so chaotic. Like, it's just jumping from days to all over. And I just want to end it here and just end. But make sure y'all subscribe. Give me the 2K subscribers. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share. And make sure y'all subscribe because y'all do not be subscribing. But anyways, see y'all in my next video.